this is one way how you can insert the values inside the table by using the column names as well as the values. But there is second way how you can insert the values inside the table. So you just mention insert into table name, so whatever table you want to insert, and without specifying the column names you can use values and then write values directly. But here you need to make sure that you are passing on the values in the correct order or the correct sequence as you have the columns in your table name. So you can do in this way also. So let me show you the second method how you can use insert into the table name. So table name is employee details. Let me put a colon here, employee details, and then without specifying the column names I'll write values and then pass on the values to comma. I'll put Virat M, and then city I'll write Delhi, and department I'll write BAT, and then date of joining I'll be writing maybe yesterday's date 2022 December 06. Let me complete this and select this and execute. So this will also take care of inserting the value inside that table. So let me just select this table name and run star select star from the employee table. You can see the two records that we got inserted.